they can hear you, though. Guys, guess what? I found a way in creative how to glitch through the spawn area. I have my friend here that teach me. He teach me. And do you want to go back to the creative hub and teach them? Okay, let's go to the creative hub. I glitched through the thing, so this is what happens. I glitch through it all the time. Yeah. Okay, so what you want to do first is you want to have the player spawn right here. You have to have 2 people for this. You build a pyramid, just like... And you don't need 2 people. You just build a pyramid, and then you respawn quick. Bam. And as you can see, it probably returns you to the creative hub like that. And yeah. Yeah. If you need it, oh god. So we need to do that. Okay, I just glitched through this. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to have, what are they called? You want to have, what is it? Rift to goes. Yeah. Yeah, 2 of the Rift to goes, weapons, costumes. There is no Rift to goes. Do you guys see any Rift to goes? Wait, give me Rift to goes. Give me Rift to goes. Yeah, because I can't find it. Yeah, I can't fly. Okay, 2 Rift to goes. You want to have a couple of Rift to goes because you don't know if it's gonna work or not. You don't want to go in there though. You want to go on the front. Nope, I don't want to do that. Yeah, you want to go on the right wing here, and then you want to do this really fast. See, and look at that. We're in spawn area. Can you guys believe this? Yeah, I know it's amazing. I could get weapons now. Do you want to fight? Dude, do you want to fight? And salty? I call team 1 either. What? Okay, switch teams, switch teams. Just switch teams, switch teams. Whoops. Set infinite ammo on, whatever, I'm gonna get ammo. Yeah. That's what I'm doing. Make some shotgun ammo here. Alrighty. Alrighty. Thanks for the drift board, though. I really appreciate it. Oh, llama. I'm in retail, like I said. I mean, salty, salty, salty. I'm in salty. Yeah, I'm in salty. I'm right here. Okay. Okay, I won't anymore. I'm not. You caught me. So are we ready? Are we ready? Hey. Whoops. I can't even... Third party! Hey, I can't even shoot! I have 3 eliminations already. I'm gonna do it. What? No, don't you dare. You pull out your phone and get your ammo. Don't you dare take my 1,000 ammo. What are you waiting for me? I am not ready. I'm not ready. I'm not ready, dude. So don't even try shooting me. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Dude, I said I was not ready. Yeah, I'm not. No, I said I was not ready. Ew. What was that? I'm taking all your loot now. Wait, no, I'm not taking your loot. I'm going to get my weapons. Get this. And this. And then... this too. There we go. Wait, I'm not ready. You sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? Okay, fine, I'll stop. Let me get one of these. You're super speeding. You're super speeding. Wait, I need to end the video. Bye, guys.